I should still zoom in. Okay, good. Whoa. What are you doing, kitty? We'll groom you a little bit more. Because I'm getting sick tired if you fart all over the place. I was gonna take a nap, then I decided just to make a cat video. What are you doing? Whoa, just rub your head all over my body. Just like a kitty. She loves attention. This cat would literally want to sleep on your face and shit. This cat literally would. Yeah, so I named her to Skyrim and shit. Just because Skyrim is one of my favorite games. Where do you think you're going? Dude, the lighting is horrible. This is like kind of like our kingdom. Don't know why cats do that. Oh my goodness. See, this is the pain in the ass by having cats. Kind of do this quite often. At least once a week. Okay, wrong one. Yo, I don't know what I was filming. Actually, this thing actually works really good. Both sides work really good. Glad that I bought it. I just barely bought that collar for her too. Gonna get like a dog tag type thing and put her name on it. I'll make a video about it later on. But I think this should be done. It's getting less and less for now. Look how badass she is. For a small cat, she's a badass. Look how proud she is. She's got like... Those things right there, they hurt. Yes, they do. Boom. Boom. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, wow. See? She's an older cat, so she's not really too much into playing. She gets grumpy and shit. Oh, is she going to her safe spot? Yeah, this is the end of the video.